When the stars light up your eyes, I see the universe deepen in your smile. Every shadow fades and time stands still. In this moment, it's just you and me, wrapped in a dream where the world is free. Whispers in the moonlight, hearts intertwined, lost in the magic, our souls combined. Every beat of my heart sings your name. In this dance of love, we're forever the same. So hold me close, let the world fade away. In your arms is where I long to stay. Through the fields of wildflowers we roam. With every gentle breeze I feel at home. Your laughter echoes like a sweet refrain. With you, my darling, I'll never feel pain. We'll write our story in the softest embrace. Every touch ignites a spark, a warm trace. Whispers in the moonlight, hearts intertwined, lost in the magic, our souls combined. Every beat of my heart sings your name. In this dance of love, we're forever the same. So hold me close, let the world fade away. In your arms is where I long to stay. Time can't measure the depth of our dreams. In this love so pure, nothing's as it seems. With each passing moment, I believe it's true. A love like ours will always renew. Through stormy nights and sunny days, together we'll wander forever ablaze. As the dawn kisses the night goodbye, I'll treasure your warmth, never asking why. In the tapestry of life, you're my favorite thread. With you, every challenge feels easier to tread. Let's build a future hand in hand. In this beautiful journey, together we'll stand. Whispers in the moonlight, hearts intertwined, lost in the magic, our souls combined. Every beat of my heart sings your name. In this dance of love, we're forever the same. So hold me close, let the world fade away. In your arms is where I long to stay. So here's my promise, my heart and your care. In this life and the next, I'll always be there. With whispers in the moonlight, let love be our guide. Forever and always with you by my side. In this timeless romance, our spirits will soar. With every sweet whisper, I'll love you more. In the twilight's embrace, where dreams collide, we stand on the edge with nothing to hide. The winds of change are whispering low. With every heartbeat, we're ready to go. Through valleys of doubt and mountains of fear, we'll carve our own path with our vision clear. The stars are our guide, the moonlight our song. In this journey together, we've been here all along. So take my hand, let's chase the unknown. With courage as our compass, we'll find our way home. In the silence of the night, our hearts will ignite. We'll dance in the shadows, we'll soar into the light. We're reaching for the heavens beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find out forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. As the dawn breaks gently, painting the sky, we'll capture each moment, let our spirits fly. With every sunrise, a new chapter begins. In the canvas of life, we'll find where love wins. Through trials and triumphs, we'll write our own fate. With the fire of our passion, we'll never be late. In the dance of the cosmos, we'll twirl and spin. With every heartbeat, we'll feel the rush within. So take my hand, let's chase the unknown. With courage as our compass, we'll find our way home. In the silence of the night, our hearts will ignite. We'll dance in the shadows, we'll soar into the light. We're reaching for the heavens beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find out forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. And when the night falls and the world feels cold, we'll light up the darkness with a love so bold. With every heartbeat we'll shatter the chains. In the light of our love, nothing remains. Through the silence and chaos, we'll rise above. In the depths of our souls, we'll find our love. With dreams intertwined, like stars in the night, we'll chase on forever until the morning light. Reaching for the heavens beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find out forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. So here's to the journeys, the paths yet to find. With every step forward, we leave fear behind. In the tapestry of underneath the silver moon, hearts align. Quiet night, your eyes they shine. Whisper secrets, embrace so tight. By your side, I found what's right. Stars above, they paint the sky. Hand in hand, just you and I. Every moment feels like magic. In your love, no room for tragic. Silver moon, silver light. In your arms, I feel so right. Every kiss a melody. Together, just you and me. In the dark, we find our way. Feel the night turn into day. Can't escape this sweet enchant. Every touch a sure romance. We dance in shadows of the moon. Hearts in rhythm, perfect tune. Promise made under the stars. Distance now, never far. Silver moon, silver light. In your arms, I feel so right. Every kiss a melody. Together, just you and me. Silver moon, silver light. In your arms, I feel so right. Every kiss a melody. Together, just you and me.
Will dips low and the stars ignite.
night, I find my way to you. Guided by the night in the hush of the evening, with the world asleep, you pull me closer, secrets we keep. With every heartbeat, I feel the spark. In this dance of shadows, you light up the dark. Your laughter's a melody that fills the air. In the garden of moments, love blossoms there. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I see the stars align. A universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every season, we'll weather the storms. With love as our shelter, we'll keep each other warm. In your eyes, I find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. Every moment with you is a treasure to hold. In the stories we weave, our love unfolds. Through laughter and tears, we're dancing through life. In the chaos and calm, you're my heart's delight. With every sunrise, a new chapter starts, painting our canvas with the colors of our hearts. In the quiet whispers, in the softest sighs, I find my forever in the depths of your eyes. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I see the stars align. A universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every season, we'll weather the storms. With love as our shelter, we'll keep each other warm. In your eyes, I find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. The night falls and the world fades away. We'll write our own story, let the